Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Aaron, and thanks for checking out my channel, Empower One Media. The goal with my channel is to help brand new entrepreneurs and anybody that's aspiring to make money online, to give you some tips and tricks about how to actually go about doing that. And so if you are somebody who is just getting started for the first time, or maybe you're a seasoned marketer and you just want to learn a couple new tips, maybe you've never done affiliate marketing, but basically in this video, I'm going to show you a method that is so easy, especially if you don't have a lot of time and you don't really have a grasp on how to do copywriting. The really cool thing is that there's a lot of platforms out there that will enable you to download other people's funnels or download other products that are basically contain what they call email swipes to be able to download all of the type of content that you would need to run an affiliate marketing campaign or a digital marketing campaign. And it eliminates a lot of the work for you, especially if you don't have the time. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Let's hop into my computer and I'll kind of break it down step by step. So see you in just a moment. All right, so here we are on my desktop, and I am going to be talking about the software called Builderall.com. And if you haven't heard about it yet, basically it's an all-in-one platform with over 40 plus digital marketing tools, which everybody is using these days. So it's kind of honestly an evergreen product. It's never going to go away. It's not like some diet pill or some fad that somebody came out with that is going to maybe be popular for a few months, or some automated software that's going to be popular for maybe a couple years. But basically you can really build a serious business on this platform, not only because it is both a marketing tool, but also they have this amazing affiliate program that if you want to make money by referring other people, you can do that as well. And they have a 2-level affiliate program so that not only when you refer people you make money, but when those people that you've referred also sell Builderall, they will also basically bring you a profit as well. And so that can be really, really, really powerful. And I'm going to show you how automated this can actually be. So Builderall has this thing called their Funnel Club. And Funnel Club, basically, this is kind of the dashboard. It has a video that you can watch. I'm not going to, I'll just kind of play that just for a second, but it just goes into some details here. And you can see all of these new funnels that they're creating. So let's talk about what a funnel is really quick. So a funnel is just basically, rather than just having like a static website where somebody clicks on like home, about us, contact us, basically think about it more like a ladder where you're kind of bringing a person step by step through a sales process to either close the sale or to introduce them to a product or service more in a educational type of way. And so what's really cool about this is that funnels are very popular. It's a new way to basically sell a product or service, and it's a lot more powerful because it's providing a lot of information, and it's all kind of set up in an automated way that kind of does the selling on the back end, and you don't really have to be present to make that sale. It's not like you're having to pick up the phone. You're not having to schedule a Zoom meeting or anything like that. Basically, you can just set up a sales funnel and walk away from it, and it will do the work for you. And so they have all these different sales funnels that are in all kinds of different niches. These are just new ones that they have for the month. You can see that some of them are these agencies. Some of these are just their premium funnels that talk about the Builderall services, but they have all kinds of niche funnels as well. So let's just take a look at those. I just want you to see basically how automated this can actually be. So what we have here is like our, you have dental offices, photographers, real estate, which is really powerful, tutors, mechanics, music teachers, basically like any type of small business that you can think of. Anybody that's going to need some type of lead, these funnels are set up in a way that either you can use them for yourself if you're a business owner that needs this. You can use this to attract clients to your business, or if you want to be an affiliate or you're just trying to sell a service, basically you can provide these funnels to your clients if you're like a web developer, a web designer, or just somebody who is really great at sales. and you basically want to just provide a product or service. So the great thing is about this is that you don't have to spend hours, days, months, years creating your own product, because all of their products are already right here. So all of these funnels are already done. You can either download them or you can go right to the link. So, let's just take a look at this financial coach, for instance. I can just copy this link, and then I can open up a brand new tab. I can paste that link in. And if I want to use this direct link to send to a customer to sell this, basically they can download their own funnels within Builderall as well. And that's what's so cool, is like once they have this funnel set up, they will become a member inside of your dashboard, and then you will make the commission on their sale. Okay, so that's just going to be a one-time sale, and then if they do decide to go ahead and keep that funnel and keep their Builderall membership, you will get that reoccurring revenue every single month, which is 30% of the fee, right? So right now, Builderall is selling for $69.90, which is about a $20 sale. So you can imagine how this could add up over time, especially if you're somebody who is actually just doing sales. So the great thing, again, is that you don't have to have your own product. You don't have to write any sales copy. And once you're a Builderall member, what's pretty amazing is they have this section down here that is called their branding kit, right? So you go into branding kit, and it takes you over to this link that's on a Trello board, and they have all these promotional graphics. They have email swipes, testimonials, all these different great pieces of content that you don't even ever have to write. It's all here for you. Okay, so there's different video promos. You just have to go through here and download the things that you need, but there's all kinds of training involved. There's different videos that they have that you can download that you can put on your YouTube channels. You can put these all these graphics, you can put them on a Pinterest board and promote it that way, or you can post them on your other social media accounts, whether it's on Facebook, maybe it's on Instagram, maybe it's on TikTok. However you want to do it, you can basically post all of this content wherever you like. Okay, so all of these, all of their whole branding kit is here. You can download other images for your Facebook pages, Facebook covers, YouTube channels, all this great stuff. But the best part is, like I said, guys, is just the total automation. Okay, and then on top of that, for each one of these funnels, they give you the social media graphics, right? So you click on this, it downloads the social media graphics. It even has ad copy that you can run. So again, it's all here for you. It's push button marketing. You can get creative with it as much as you like, but the nice thing is you can either use this as a starting point, but if you're somebody who doesn't have a background in digital marketing, you don't know a whole lot about writing sales copy, and let's say you want to just promote Builderall to yoga studios, right? You can just come in here and click on download ad description and get started right away and basically start posting ads. You can download these ads. It comes with graphics, it comes with the text. It gives you everything that you need to market to that specific industry. Or if you own a yoga studio or you own a business that's listed in here, you can use this for yourself. Okay, and Builderall does have a variety of plans to choose from, which I'll also link in the description below this video. One of the other things that I just want to talk about really quick is they also have this really cool back end area that is their marketplace. And so if you're familiar with any type of marketplaces like ClickBank or JVZoo, just to name a few, or like Warrior Plus, Warrior Forum, they have this really great marketplace where a lot of people are selling other products that are related to Builderall. So for instance, one of the top affiliates for Builderall is Jame, and he has this massive blueprint. Basically, this is one of the coolest things I've ever seen, is once you're inside of Builderall, you can actually buy this, and you can also sell it and make money. So if you want to basically sell this yourself, you'll make a 30% commission on the $9.97. So this is a really nice high ticket product that you could sell over and over again, and it comes with so much stuff. I've seen the back end of this. I was actually just on a webinar that James was doing just recently, and I'll actually show you how to get connected to him as well at the end of this video. But one of the things he does is he provides a tremendous amount of value. And if you hear his story, you'll understand why, because he just came from this crazy, background that was very tragic actually, and rather sad, but he has prevailed, he has come forth, and he has basically, helped a ton of people, has helped probably thousands upon thousands of people around the globe in having success with their online marketing and their own businesses. And so, this is one of the products he sells. It comes with email swipes. It comes with, all kinds of funnels. It comes with training. I mean, it's just crazy. Like I can't even get into the list right now of stuff because you can see, I mean, literally you could probably spend $50,000 on all of these different products. And he basically offers this massive software and all this value for $9.97, which is incredible. And he actually has a sale for it this coming Wednesday, which I plan on buying anyway. But if you want to get this, this is one of the other things that I really highly recommend once you're inside of Builderall. If you are doing affiliate marketing, this is an absolute must buy because it does have everything that you will ever need to literally run your online business. And it comes with support, it comes with training and all the things that you'll need, especially if you're somebody who is not good at writing sales copy, you're not good at making funnels, you're not good at doing video content. This comes with everything. So again, great automation, not having to lift a finger. Now, I'm going to finish this video with a couple other things that I'm going to post links to. So here are a couple other things. You can go to funnelyenough.allinOneBiz.com. And this is another funnel that I downloaded from a couple guys named AJ Simon and Mark Hayden. Again, this is a great sales funnel. You don't have to do any work. You don't have to write any sales copy. It's all done for you. And this entire sales funnel includes all kinds of training. Basically, once somebody clicks on this link, it's going to take them to the sign up form. And once they've basically gone into the sign up form, it takes them through a process to learn marketing. There's all kinds of email swipes in here that they can purchase. There's basically about 5 different back-end sales. And again, it's fully automated, and that's the benefit. And it comes with all of the email swipes that you can preload into your Builderall account. So you really have no excuse because you don't have to lift a finger if you don't want to. Yes, if you want to write some sales copy. Yes, if you want to do some extra work. Yes, if you want to tweak a few things. But you know what? This is all fully automated, guys. It can't get any easier than this. With Builderall plus this, everything else, it's all done for you. Same thing. Here's James Neville-Taylor. He's the guy that sells that other product that I just showed you a few minutes ago with this product here, the MAB. So this is James's product. So he also created, and again, the value that this guy provides within the Builderall family, it's amazing. And so what he does, and actually the way you can get to this is go to rapidprofits.allinOneBiz.com, and I will put the link in this video as well. But he also has created a similar type of funnel. It comes with training, it comes with even coaching, and there's some back-end sales that are really, really good. And so once again, fully automated, comes with all the emails that you need, comes with the email swipes and all the training on how to actually get traffic to your website. And again, so this is fully automated. Nothing to, no excuse. Like if you can't do marketing, you're terrible at writing email copy, everything else, don't have to worry about it. This stuff is all included, guys. So anyway, those are the things that I wanted to show you. Again, this is a way to simply automate your business. I've given you 3 really good products aside from Builderall. So Builderall you can get for really cheap. It's $1. I'll also put the different plans down below this video so that you can at least see that there's the full funnel club, which is I think $199, but you can also get access to it for $69, which I'm going to put a link down below this video. And then also, if you're like a small business and you don't care about all this affiliate stuff that I've talked about, then that is fine too. There's a $29 plan that's designed for just small business owners that just need limited access. But again, if you are somebody who's going to get into digital marketing, then you're definitely going to want to look at the Funnel Club and some of these other tools, because when you go under apps here, you can see there's like over 40 tools that can do some really amazing things in terms of social media marketing, your email marketing, video marketing. It's all here. It's all here for you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thanks for checking this out. This is fully automation at its best. And if you need a really, really cool product and you need something to help you build your online business, just start by going to my website, allinonebiz.com. Get the trial. or try the build, click the links below this video to get access to any of the memberships. And I promise you're going to love it. So thanks again, guys, and hope to see you in the next video.